Rewind Networks, your passport to a world of entertainment. Brace yourself for an extraordinary journey through hits movies, and the cutting-edge experience of hits now.
Very good.
Indulge in the timeless allure of hits, your go-to for unforgettable TV experiences. From beloved favorites to hidden gems, it's all right here. Embark on a cinematic adventure with Hits Movies, featuring the greatest blockbusters and must-see films. It's your ultimate movie escapade.
This just keeps getting better and better.
Stay ahead with Hits Now. From gripping dramas, discovering talent, and just pure fun.
Grab your torch.
It's the pulse of now.
Now.
Rediscover the magic of television and movies past and present with Rewind Networks.
I love it so much. It makes me so happy.
It's everything you want and love.
All I want is for you to be happy.
All in one place.
I thought it was brilliant.